I've got my water boiling with some salt in it, and I'll be boiling this kind of pasta today. I don't know how to pronounce it. Fusilli, maybe? Anyway, this is what I'll be using for the pasta with the yogurt fette, but it's a pasta fette. Let's just call it pasta fette. And I'll walk you all through the steps of making my air-fried slivered almonds, so that's some prep for today. I'll also be washing some parsley and chopping it for both my fette and for my cloves, as well as the salad, and I'll just keep you all posted. You want your pasta to be al dente, just like you would for any pasta salad or pasta meal that you make. It's almost ready. And then I'm going to be preparing the garlic sauce. The pasta's done now, so I'm going to put a drizzle of olive oil on it, give it a toss, and just cover the Tupperware and leave it out because this is served room temperature. So here's the platter I'll be serving it in, and here's the pasta that's tossed in olive oil and it's drained, of course, and it's just covered, so this will be fine. And now I've got to prepare the yogurt. I have a 1/4 cup of tahini sauce. I'll be crushing 4 cloves of garlic into here, and then putting this cup of yogurt, all of it in here, which this is 4 cups. Do you see the serving? So I'll be putting all 4 cups in here with a sprinkle of salt, and I'll be squeezing 1 lemon. You guys, I've been getting a lot of messages that their fette sauce is too thin because they use the blender. Hand mix this because you don't want it to. I have about 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, the crushed 4 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of salt, and I have a 1/4 cup of tahini sauce and 1 lemon that's squeezing this together and then adding in the yogurt. I like to get the tahini mixed with the olive oil and the lemon juice just to make it smooth. Otherwise, it'll be very hard to get the little clumps out once you put the yogurt in. Any kind of whole milk yogurt will work. You can use Greek style. You can use the one from the Arabic store. You can use Dannon plain whole milk. I got this one from Sprouts, but they also sell it at the Arabic store. This is Mountain High brand. I like it. It's convenient for me to get. So any whole milk will work. This is the thickness you want it to be at. If you use a blender, it'll liquefy and become very watery. So that's why it's nice and thick like this. Now I'll cover this and put it in the fridge until it's time for me to assemble. This is not very Middle Eastern, but I love putting this on my ground beef when I'm sauteing it. And this is for the macaroni fateh. And I've got here some allspice, black pepper, seasoned salt, cinnamon, garlic powder, and onion powder.